Welcome to today's class of JS Networks. Today let's see how Jamboard application can be used in a Google Meet. For that, open your Google search engine window and then from there select Google Apps, select Meet. That is, you are going to start a new Meet or you are opening an existing Meet. Here I am going to the new meeting and then from that start an instant meeting. Now click on join now. Normally we wish to add people, right, for a meeting. For if you are doing the Jamboard facility in a classroom, you have to give the mail IDs of the students or we have to give the mail IDs of our colleagues, whatever it may be, we have to give it over here. Now at present, I am not giving any person's address. So for that, I am just closing it. Now click on present now. We know how to present a documentation or a PowerPoint set of PowerPoint slides using present now. Same way we are doing here. So click on present now, a window and select computer screen window, share. Now sharing has been started. Then come to new tab and here type Jamboard dot google.com, jamboard.google.com. So this is the Jamboard window. Here you have not started any jam yet. So click on this plus, that is new jam. Click on that. Now a Jamboard screen you will get over here. Untitled jam. If you want to wish to change the name of this, go to this more actions and select rename. Okay. Now this is the whiteboard. We know that it is providing a whiteboard facility. You can change the color of this. For that background, which color you need, you can change the color. You can make it black or here let it be white. Okay. Now these are the items which can be used for doing a work in Jamboard. There is a pen. For pen, marker is there, highlighter is there and brush is there. These are the different colors. This is eraser, this is the mouse pointer select and this is sticky note, and if you wish to insert an image, add image using this particular icon. And this is laser type printing, typing you need means you can go for this. So normally we are taking pen, right? If you want a black pen, blue pen, different colors are there. So here let it be black. Then just write whatever you want to write on the board. Normally this can be used for doing problems in mathematics. So here see, this way you have to write x square plus 2xy minus y square. See how easily I can write. Now if you want to erase something, select the eraser and go for, suppose you want to erase this y, erase it. Okay. Now suppose you want to delete the whole thing, erase the whole thing, go to clear frame. That will be erased. So that's it. Now next I am going to tell what is sticky note. Click on the sticky note. This can be used when a particular problem or a particular work is being given to a particular set of students or for an individual students. For that, you can just tell them. That is, suppose I am giving here group 1. That is for writing a set of questions. I have divided my students into different groups. So group 1, save, and then see. Here, a mark is there for group 1. And then here you can write the problem or whatever you need, you can write over here. Okay. So this is a work which is to be done by group 1. Next to group 2 we have to go. For that, create frame. See, now you are in the second portion. Again select sticky note, group 2. Save. Okay. Here you can write this set of problem. Okay. So that's it. Different groups or different works can be allotted to different persons, different students, and you can write it over the same way how you are writing in a classroom. So this will be more interactive, more clear to the students, and it is too easy to use. Now there's a work which you are supposed to do in Google Meet with the help of the Jamboard. Now go for stop sharing. For that I'm going to meet again, and then see, you are presenting to everyone. It was being shown to your friends who are using the same Google Meet. Now stop sharing. Finished. Okay. So now you can go for some other work. So this is the way how Jamboard can be used for students in an online class, for presentations in a meeting, whatever work. So you can use the help of Jamboard very easily, and it is very simple to do. Hope today's topic is clear for you. Thanks for watching. Next class we'll see with a new topic. Thank you.